bring it to it so it could go to court, and we certainly wanted it to go to court so that everybody could see what was going on.
Do you consider this a miscarriage of justice?
I do not agree with what the state's attorney did. We have not heard as to why. Certainly, I'm always interested to hear why somebody would do something, but I don't think justice was done here today.
Do you think that there's some connection to Kim Foxx's earlier discussions?
Well, I think that's why I asked for an investigation. So I asked for that investigation so that we can determine what exactly the involvement of the state's attorney is with this case. And I think that is where we need to go. So
What it was that you asked when you contacted the Justice Department?
we asked for an investigation saying that based on the Tribune article, that there was text messages between the state's attorney and a private attorney. Now, in diverting the case from the Chicago Police Department to a federal investigation. Now, I can tell you this as a police officer, if I directed or tried to direct a criminal investigation to go from one department to another department, I'd be under investigation. And the department would have me sitting in a corner someplace. So I think that there's a double standard here. At this point, I'm certainly waiting to hear that we get additional information, and at that point, I'll certainly have more to say, but we haven't heard anything more at this point.
Do you think this celebrity that the Chicago Police Department came after him, do you feel like this is a dark mark, or he placed a dark mark on the Chicago Police Department in his allegations?
I think that was the intention. I don't think there is a dark mark, because I do think that the Chicago Police Department and its detective division did an outstanding job of making sure that the public knew what was going on, that we brought this case to the state's attorney for prosecution. And I think that because of that, because of the work of our detectives, that I don't think there is a black mark on the city. You had a question.
Do you think the mayor alluded to this, that his celebrity and financial means may have played a role in this, or do you think that there's something else on play, something that's politically motivated?
I think that when people have access to the finest attorneys, that they certainly can get more out of a justice system than somebody who doesn't. However, I think the facts and circumstances are clear that this should have gone to trial, and that there should have been a day in court in which Mr. Smollett could have either pled his innocence or pled guilty, depending on what he wanted to do. But I think the facts and circumstances were very clear, based on the people he was involved with, that this case was going to be a very big problem for him to win. So at that, thank you very much.